Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD JPY. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of USD JPY. I'll try to keep the video very short because nothing much to talk because market is extremely bullish. If you have a buy position on USDjpy, or if you had a buy position USDjpy, then you have hit the jackpot because market has broke all the resistances and there is a sudden increase in volatility and market is bullish right now. There is no resistance in the market right now. Okay, and if you go the higher time frame, okay, then yes, we get some levels, but yes, those levels are not important at least for today and tomorrow. Okay, because right now there is a huge upside on USDjpy because the next resistance is at 117 level. Okay, so that is not required. So what should be a strategy that will that will only I discuss right now. Okay, first of all, okay, if you are looking for a fresh entry into the market, then this is not the ideal position because this question is simple. The risk to reward ratio will not be in your favor. Let's say if you take a buy position here at 115.77, this is the current market price. If you take a buy here, then your stop loss will be here. Okay, your stop loss will be here. And as we all know, any market in the world will obviously go for some sort of retracement at one point of time. Okay, so if market starts retracing, then obviously you'll be feeling bad, isn't it? Because you'll think that I have taken buy position at 115.77, now market is trading at 115.6070. So instead of feeling bad, the best way to trade in this type of market is to wait for retracement. That's the only way right now. Okay, do not think about shorting the market also because right now we do not have any proper resistances. Let's observe the market. If it goes up from here again, then I'll be discussing tomorrow where we should take a sell position or whether we have any opportunity for selling and all. Okay, but right now buying at retracement is the only option that I see right now. And what are the levels? The level can be 115.50 or 115.40. If you use Fibonacci levels, then you can draw Fibonacci lines as well. That's your choice. But right now, the only entry on USDjpy is buy at retracement. If market comes down to the 115.50 level and bounces, or if it comes to 115.40 and bounces, then only buy. Yes, confirmation is extremely essential because these levels are not permanent after all. Okay, so if market comes for retracement and bounces, you can go for buy, otherwise no. Okay, I'll be coming down tomorrow again. Okay, let's observe. Actually, it's in a market condition like this, okay, we should wait for retracement and mostly we should observe so that we can understand the body language of the market, so that we can understand the psychology of the market. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Bye bye.